The BenQ TH671ST is a 1080p short throw projector built for gamers and home entertainment enthusiasts who want big screen performance without needing a huge space. What sets this projector apart is its short throw lens, which allows you to project a massive image from just a few feet away. A 100-inch screen can be achieved with minimal distance, which makes it ideal for apartments, bedrooms, or small living rooms. Shadows and obstructions are minimized, so you won't have to worry about people walking in front of the projector during gameplay or movie sessions. Brightness is one of the key features here. With 3000 lumens for both color and white light, the projector performs well even with ambient lighting. This means you don't need a completely dark room to enjoy sharp and vibrant visuals. Text remains readable, colors look accurate, and contrast is sufficient for both gaming and movie watching. For casual users, this brightness level alone makes the TH671ST a standout option compared to other projectors in a similar price range. For gamers, this projector has a dedicated low-latency mode. Gaming mode reduces input lag, ensuring that every command you give is reflected on-screen almost instantly. With an input lag around 16.67 milliseconds at 1080p, fast-paced games such as first-person shooters, racing titles, and action-adventure games feel responsive and fluid. This is especially important for competitive gaming, where reaction time can make all the difference. The short throw design also adds practical convenience. Unlike traditional projectors that need to be placed several feet back, this projector can sit close to the screen or wall, reducing clutter and simplifying setup. It also prevents unwanted shadows and obstructions that can occur in shared spaces, making it perfect for group gaming sessions or movie nights with friends and family. Audio is suitable for everyday use with built-in stereo speakers. While it works fine for casual gaming or movie watching, pairing it with a soundbar or external speaker system can provide a more cinematic experience. Action sequences, dialogues, and sound effects are clearer with external audio, enhancing immersion. Setup is intuitive and quick. Vertical keystone correction helps align the image perfectly without complicated adjustments. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to get started even for first-time projector owners. Additionally, the projector comes with a 3-year warranty, giving extra reassurance regarding durability and build quality. This projector isn't just limited to gaming. With full HD resolution and HDR support, it's great for streaming content like movies, TV shows, and online videos. Platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus look vibrant and detailed, with crisp images and natural colors. The lamp life is rated up to 10,000 hours in eco mode, so this projector is built to last for years of entertainment without frequent replacements. Overall, the BenQ TH671ST is a versatile and high-performing projector suitable for both gamers and casual media viewers. It combines a bright 1080p display, low input lag, short throw convenience, and solid build quality into an affordable package. It's especially appealing for those who want a big screen experience without the hassle of a dedicated darkroom or complex setup. For anyone looking to enhance their gaming experience or enjoy movies on a large screen at home, the TH671ST offers a practical solution. Its balance of performance, ease of use, and value makes it one of the better options in its category. Whether it's fast-paced gaming, binge-watching series, or streaming content with friends, this projector provides an immersive experience without breaking the bank.